This is the inside of the Vtoman Jump 1500. It no longer works. It doesn't charge. It does display the level the battery's at, but it's not true. It's not a correct reading, which I will show you. So I opened it up. There's really not much to it since it's just the extra battery without the inverter. It's fairly light in comparison to the other batteries with an inverter. The only two terminals that you will need to be concerned with is the positive, this specific one, and the negative, this specific one. Everything else you don't touch. All the side panels slide out, so you can pretty much do what you need. And this is the piece that I'm going to remove and drill these holes. As you can see, the four there, that's going to be my where I place my solar charge controller. And as you see, these two holes here will come out, will be the positive and negative from the battery into the solar charge controller. As you see the label, it says model Jump 1500 backup battery. So basically, this is what it should look like with the MPPT solar controller attached to the side panel. So you have the positive red and the negative black coming from the battery, and these are the wires, and it's going to be attached to red positive and the black to the negative. So this is what it should look like when it's done. Also, I know the label is upside down, but this is a 40 amp solar charge controller, and you can input 500 watts versus the regular 200 max. So you have the positive, negative to the terminal, as I showed before. I tape it up, and it's very clean. So as you can see, it shows the load, the battery being 26.5 volts. It's fully charged. What's great about doing it this way versus before is that before you could only charge this extra battery attached to the main battery. You couldn't charge it independently on its own, and you couldn't use it any other way with any other battery except with the Vtoman itself. This way, well, since it's broken, I had to fix it by adding a MPPT solar charge controller. You can charge it independently now, and charge it or charge whatever battery you want. In this case, I'm going to use this Vtoman Extra to charge this Segway. Let's see where it says Segway. Right there, Segway. And I'll probably clean up the cables more as I figure it out what to do. But I'm just going to charge it and show you. This cable is actually that I made for the Segway, and as you can see, it's pumping out. This unit is pumping out 427-ish watts. And as you can see, the voltage reflects the draw from previously. I think it was 26.2 or 0.4 or something. As you can see, it's ticking down as the wattage being pulled away from this into this. Hope this helps.